Hello my class 1 students, today we are going to start with our very first chapter, smaller numbers. Topics to be covered: counting in tens up to 50, before, after, between, comparing numbers and ascending and descending order. So let's begin. Counting in tens. 1 10 is 10. If we have 2 tens, then it is going to make 20. If we have 3 tens with us, it is going to make 30. If we have 4 10, it is going to make 40, and if we have 5 tens, it is going to make us a 50. Now let's move number 1 to 10. These numbers we use the ones place only. For writing the number 10, we use 1 and 0. For this we need 2 places. Now let's see, 1 1 is 1, 2 1 are going to make 2. If we have 3 1, then it is going to make 3. Similarly, we can go up to 10. Now let's see for numbers from 11 to 20. If we have 10 and then a 1, it is going to make us 11. Similarly, if we have a 10 and then 2 ones, it is going to make 12. Now let's move to 13. If we have one slot of 10 and then 1, 1 and 1, that will make 3. It is going to make 13 as a number. Similarly, we can go up to 20. Now let's move to the numbers from 21 to 30. Numbers 21 to 30. If we have 2 tens and 1, it will make 21. And for 22, we are going to have 2 tens and 2 ones. Similarly, we can go up to 30. For 30, we are going to have 3 tens. Now let's see number 31 to 40. If we have 3 tens and 1 ones, it will make 31. Now let's see, if we have 3 tens and 2 ones, it will make 32. Similarly, we can do up to 39. Now see, for 40, we are going to have 4 tens. Now let's see for number 41 up to 50. We have 41. How we are going to show 41? If we are going to have 4 tens and 1 ones, it will make 41. And if we are going to have 4 tens and 2 ones, it will make 42. Similarly, we can go up to 49. And for 50, we are going to have 5 tens. That's it. Now let's move forward. Students, if there are 2 bundles of 10 locks and 7 loose ones, how many locks are there in total? There are 27 locks. Now let's move forward and know what is before, after and between. The numbers to the right are after, the numbers to the left are before. So for example, if we have 5, then the numbers on the right are going to be numbers which are after 5, and numbers on the left are going to be before 5. So here number 4 is before 5 and number 6 is after 5, and number 5 is the number that we have in between. Write the numbers before, after and between in these following. So first one we have 22 and then a blank and then we have 24. Can you tell me what will come in between 22 and 24? That will be 23. So we will have 22, 23 and then 24. Now let's move to the second one. It is 16 and then the space for you to fill, and then we have 18. So it will become 16, 17 and then 18. So 17 will be at the center. Now let's move to the third one, which will come after 25. It is going to be 26. Now let's move to fourth one. We have 48 and we have to fill the blank which is after 48. So the number will be 49. Now let's move to the fifth one. We have the blank and then we have 42. What is going to be there in that blank? That will be 41. Right? Now let's move to the sixth one. We have the blank and then we have 36. Which number will come before 36? It will be 35. Now let's move forward. Now we are going to know how we are going to compare numbers. While comparing, we follow some rules. So let's know all the rules. Rule number 1. A 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. For example, we have 7 and 17. And here 17 is a 2-digit number as 17 is bigger than 7. 110, 7 ones are more than 7 ones. Rule number 2. When both the numbers have 2 digits, compare the tens place first. Now we have to compare 49 to 27. Here at the tenth place we have 4 and 2. Can you tell me which one is greater? Correct. 4 is greater. So we have 49, which is a bigger number than the 27 as a number. Now obviously 4 tens are more than 2 tens. Now let's move forward. Rule number 3. If the tens place is the same, compare the ones. Now we are going to compare 33 with 36. We can see at tens place we have 3 in both the number. Now we are going to compare ones place. We have 3 and 6. Can you tell me which one is greater? 6. Now both the tens are same, so we compare the ones. 6 ones are more than 3 ones. So which one is going to be the bigger number? Correct. 36 is bigger than 33. Now let's compare these numbers on the basis of our learning. We have 3 versus 49. Which one is going to be greater? Correct. That is going to be 49. Now let's move forward to compare few more numbers. We have 23 and 49. Which one is going to be greater? We are going to compare the tens place. Here 4 is greater than 2. Then our number 49 is going to be greater or the bigger number. Now let's compare 44 with 49. On tens place we have 4 in both the number. We are going to compare ones. We have 4 in one number and 9. Which one will be greater? 9. So 49 will be a bigger number. Students, now let's know ascending and descending order. Ascending order means increasing order, means arranging the number from smaller to the largest. We need the numbers type to arrange the number in ascending or descending order. Let us arrange the blocks with numbers in ascending orders. Numbers that we have with us are 13, 7, 29, 8, 38 and 45. We are going to begin it by picking the smallest number. So here the smallest number is 7. So we are going to place 7. Then we have the next smaller number which is 8. Then we'll move to the next one. It will be 13. So how we are going to arrange it? As 7, 8, 13, 29, 38 and 45. Descending order. That means decreasing order. Means arranging the number from largest to the smallest. Let us arrange the blocks with numbers in descending order. We have numbers 12, 40, 34, 26, 9, 29. To arrange it in descending order, we are first going to pick the largest or the biggest number, which is here 40. So we are going to place 40, then 34, after that 29, 26, 12 and then 9. Students, let's arrange the numbers given in kite in descending order. So we have numbers like 13, 36, 20 and 27. So let's arrange. To arrange it in descending order, we have to pick the largest number or the biggest number. So here the biggest number is 36, then 27 and then 20, then 13. So how we are going to arrange it? It will become 36, 27, 20 and 13. That's all for the day, students. Thank you all.